From real properties, kayo rin po ba yung mga nakabili ng mga motor vehicles?
Yes po.
Gaya ng mga sasakyan, tama po?
Opo.
Ano pong mga sasakyan?
Ang sasakyan po kasi buy and sell po, so come and go lang din po ang mga cars po.
Nasa buy and sell business po ba kayo?
Ay, hindi naman po. Pero pagkabili, pag hindi na po gusto, binibenta ko po.
So aside from the purchase of real properties, motor vehicles, may mga shares po ba kayo sa mga korporasyon?
Meron po.
Ano-ano po pong mga korporasyon ito?
Your Honor, for the businesses po, I have AMLAC cases po. I invoke my right against self-incrimination po.
Anyway, Mr. Chair, total we have here the representative from APLAC. And gusto lang po natin kunin yung pagkakataon na i-update po tayo doon po sa mga assets na subject po ng freeze order. May I request, Mr. Chair, that the AMLAC representative be recognized?
Good evening, sir. Go ahead, go ahead.
Mr. Chair, konting katanungan lang po sa AMLAC. Meron po bang freeze order na in-issue ang ating pong Court of Appeals para po sa pag-freeze ng mga assets ni Alice Guo?
Yes, sir. That was the freeze order was issued by the Court of Appeals in July of this year, sir.
That was issued in July. Until when po yung validity ng freeze order?
The freeze order was extended by the Court of Appeals until January of next year, Your Honor.
Until January of
Next
next
year,
year,
yes, sir.
2025.
Yes, sir.
Doon po sa freeze order, pwede po ba malaman kung anong subject properties ng freeze order?
Your Honor, we have the AMLAC has identified bank accounts, real properties, and personal properties, which includes motor vehicles and a helicopter, Your Honor.
So doon po sa mga bank accounts, ilang pong bank accounts ang subject po ng freeze order?
For the bank accounts, Your Honor, there were 88 principal accounts and 90 related accounts, Your Honor.
88 principal accounts and how many related accounts?
90 related
What,
accounts.
90 or 19?
90, Your Honor.
90 related accounts. Doon po sa mga bank accounts, magkano po ang kabuuang pera na subject po ng freeze order doon po sa mga bank accounts na yun?
The total peso equivalent that was frozen is more than 199 million, Your Honor.
199 million. You also mentioned a while ago that there were properties, real properties, that are also subject of the freeze order. Ito po ba mga properties na ito ay nakapangalan po kay Alice Guo?
It's under the name of the respondents in the freeze order.
At
And
ang-
some of them are in the name of Ms. Alice Guo, Your Honor.
Pwede ba malaman kung magkano ang appraised value ng total number of real properties na naka-freeze po ngayon?
The appraised value of the real properties is over 478 million, Your Honor.
478 million.
Yes, Your Honor.
Aside from the cash in the banks, aside from the real properties that the subject of this freeze order, ano po ba ang subject of freeze order? May nabanggit po kayong motor vehicles. Pwede ba malaman kung magkano ang total amount of the appraised value of these motor vehicles?
The appraised value, Your Honor, is more than 76 million, Your Honor.
And mostly, ito pong mga motor vehicles na ito po ay mga sasakyan. Tama po ba?
That is right, Your Honor.
May nabanggit din po kayo isang helicopter. Magkano po yung value ng helicopter na subject po ng freeze order?
The estimated value of the helicopter is 63,911,000, Your Honor.
63 million ang value po ng isang helicopter. Other than that, mayroon pa po bang subject or na-freeze ang ating pong AMLAC?
Your Honor, well, if it's effectively frozen, there are properties which are now undergoing civil forfeiture, Your Honor. And I'm referring to the land in the Baofu, the land where Baofu compound is located, Your Honor.
Okay, bago po akong magtanong about dun sa Baopu compound, ito po bang mga properties na subject ng freeze order, pwede ba malaman kung saan po ito located?